So all year 10 students that do art this year, they have 3 different teachers, and what we've been doing are drawing and painting workshops. So they've been learning lots of different drawing techniques and painting techniques. In particular, what we're looking at is trying to get them to work in a very expressive way. So they're producing very abstract, expressionist paintings. And as you'll notice when you look at the work, you'll see some of the different techniques they've learnt as they went along. And now they're using them quite naturally to express themselves individually.